Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Kaoba. I'm a teacher and I launched my own online business in November of 2024. I now help other working class individuals and families know that it's possible to have a side hustle in digital marketing while maintaining their 8 to 5 job. I am also the co-founder of the Resilience Entrepreneurs Community. We are a community of like-minded people on school. Our mission is to inspire economic self-reliance and resilience through innovative digital opportunities. If you're a busy parent, a burnt-out professional, a network marketer, a 9-to-5 worker who's looking for more, this is for you. Created this community to empower people like you to achieve financial independence and create passive income. Our goal is to transform lives and bring smiles across lives of ordinary men and women to know that they can earn in USD. Remember, your success is our success. So what exactly is digital marketing? It involves selling digital products, which are like ebooks, PDFs, and templates, courses online that can be downloaded into your mobile phone or your laptop. The opportunity that I am talking to you about allows you to earn passive income in USD through digital marketing with potential earnings in your local currency. Now let's talk about master resell rights. What is MRR? MRR is a license that allows you to purchase a program and resell it for 100% profit. Buy this program, complete it online, and resell it to others, keeping all the profits for yourself. What is this Legacy Builders program? The Legacy Builders program is a live and interactive program. Training and coachings are real time, designed to help you build a profitable automated online business. The program also includes expert guidance and thriving community for support. The program offers multiple income streams. You have the $900 that offers 4 income streams, the $600 that offers 3 income streams, the $300 that offers 2 income stream, and the $100 program that offers 1 income stream. You might be wondering, is this for me? This is perfect for you if you want to make an extra income online. If you do not know where to start, then this is for you. You don't need prior experience. The program teaches you how to market effectively. This is also for anyone who wants to work anywhere and not be bounded by a cubicle office. Even this is for those who are currently at their 9-to-5 job but want more, an extra $100, an extra $500 a week, a month, whatever your goal is. This is perfect for you because you're only using your phone or laptop connected to the internet. Now, one of the main strategies we used in this online business is called the attraction marketing. This is about selling without chasing people. So if you're one that is afraid of having awkward conversation with people and having to cold DM people or phone calls, this is perfect for you because all those is not required. This is about selling without chasing people. Instead of pushing your product, you show up in a way that attracts or draws the right people towards you because they can connect with your story. And on top of that, you don't have to work 8 hours on this online business like how you do in your 8-to-5 job. This business allows you to work as little as 2 hours in a day. Now you may be wondering, how does it work? It's a business on automation. We use organic traffic from social media platforms and free website copy paste. What happens is your website, when you purchase this program, the $100, the $300, the $600, or the $900, depending on your budget, you will also purchase what is called a website and a business email. Now the website acts as the administrator of your online business. Someone is interested in your content. For instance, now you're watching me on YouTube and you're interested in my content. All you got to do is go to my bio and click on my web page, and it will take you into a capture page where it will ask you to put your email. Now you will put your email and you will go about reading what's on my web page. Now what happens is that my web page collects your email and it starts automatically sending you emails on my behalf. Now I'm not doing that. I'm probably at my day job because I'm a teacher, so I'm in my classroom and I'm teaching. I'm going about my day, but my website is sending you emails. These templates are proven to work, proven to convert, and it comes with the program. We just edit them to fit our story and we start using them. How many of you would like to own your own website and have your own business email with your name on it? For example, I am a digital marketing with misskawaba.com and my email is info@digitalmarketingwithmisskawaba.com. Never in my wildest dream did I ever think that I would have my own business email and business website. Now here's the quick look at the compensation plan. You may be wondering, how do I make sales? Well, what happens is when your prospects see your content on any social media platform, they're interested, they click on your website, they go in, and when they're receiving those emails coming to them, if they're interested, they will ask you how they're going to purchase. All you're going to tell them is that go to your payment gateway. The link is there. They'll click on it and go in and use their Visa card to make payment, and automatically they will get the link to the program, as well as they have to pay an additional $39 fee to get into the digital growth community. Now, if you purchase this program today, for example, if you purchase this program for $100 and you sell this program to one of your customers, in next month, you will be making $100 back. That's your capital that you put into this program, that you invested into this program, you're making it back. And what happens if you have two customers purchase from you in the next month? Well, one is your capital and the other one is your profit. Now, what happens if you have 5 customers that purchase from you next month? That's it. $100 is yours and the $400 is your profit. Do you share it with the person that you purchased from? No, there's no upline, there's no downline. This is not network marketing, this is not MLM. This is 100% profit from a digital program that you didn't create, but you're reselling it and keeping 100% profit. How amazing is that? Maybe wondering how much you have to pay in order to get into this program. Well, the lowest one is the $100 that you can get it. You pay the $100 fee to get the link to your training modules, and you pay the additional $39 fee to get into the digital growth community. On top of that, you will pay $56 to GoDaddy to pay for your domain name and your business email. So a total of $195. The $100 and $39 fee is one-time payment. The $56 is a yearly payment, so annually you'll have to pay GoDaddy to host your website and your email. So even if you get in on the $3, $6, or the $900 one, it's the same. You have an additional $39 and a $56 on top of that. But when you come in on the $900, you have the master resale rights to sell 4. So you will sell the $900, the $600, the $300, and the $100. If you come in on the $100, you can only sell $100 and not the above income streams. And so a lot of people are getting into this online space and they're feeling like there's a lot of noise around and they do not know which direction to take. And as a beginner myself, I have found myself in that situation. And so myself and Natasha from Daily Pay with Natasha and Amos have created our Resilience Entrepreneurs community. We would like to bridge the gap between mentees and mentors. So if you would like to know more, you can click the link below here and get into our school community today, and there will be the link to purchasing this Legacy Builders program inside our community. See you. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.